We're Corvette guys at heart, and probably more Corvette guy than business people. So we really like to make the stuff the way GM did. All the interior plastic for C4 and C5.
Okay, that's a nice piece.
Automatic shift console plate. Exact reproduction windshield frame assembly for 56 to 62 Corvette. This is original GM. That's the look.
It's the grain that you're going for.
And then this is ours. Different color panel, but same result. This is our flagship part for fiberglass.
Oh yeah. Yeah, those are pretty.
This look of the mingled fiberglass matte can only be achieved with the heavy pressure.
Okay. It's such a good look.
And once again, with the jig fit and the press molded, drying in the tooling, you get the same part every time.
You guys have a big eBay store.
Right now we're down a little bit. We're about 1,700 items.
Wow. I know I've spent some money over the years there.
Thank you.